Episode number 2 of our trip to Spain coming up.
Yeah.
So I changed the light a little bit because it got a little bit brighter outside, and this is looking a little bit better because I got a dark side over here, got a light side over here, so makes my face look all nice. So anyway, the idea was for me, or for us, to make a movie about Spain and make a movie every single day, and every single day would have a different story. The first day would be a story about me and Lisa going to Spain and arriving in Spain. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough material because I'm not very experienced with this. This was my first trip, so I'm going to do it a little bit different. Today's vlog is going to be a narrative in which I'm going to take you guys on our trip to Spain and telling you guys exactly what happened, showing you guys a couple of clips, and then we're going to make it into a movie together. So it all started with me and Lisa in the car going towards Spain. And then we arrived in Spain and had to set up our tent, so I did shoot that as well. So here's a couple of clips of that. And then finally, after the struggle was over between Lisa and me setting up our tent, I made some B-rolls of the campsite, so here goes. So the campsite that we went to was Camping SALATA, which is a 2-minute walk from the beach and then about a 5-minute walk from Roses, because we weren't really in Roses, we were in a little town next to it. I don't know what it's called, but it's still considered to be Roses anyway. We have penny boards, we use them over the boulevard, so it took us from where we were to Roses in like 5 minutes, which is awesome. So maybe you guys are thinking like, well Rico, that's not really interesting to watch, is it? Well, maybe it's not, but people might go to the campsite, and I really wanted to show the world actually how the campsite looked, and maybe if you're looking to book the campsite or to visit that campsite, now you have an idea of how it looks. So I thought it was very important to put in the vlog. So that was the vlog of this week. Next week will be the review of the Mavic Air, which I've brought to Spain with me. I shot some incredible clips if you ask me, so I'm going to show you guys them next week. Please stay tuned for episode number 3. So there's one more thing left to say, which is make love to that like button, kick that subscribe button, smash that bell button, and I'll see you guys next week. Doei!